Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back into today's video. In today's video, I basically our peers. So to have a look out for next week's, what should we be looking out for on next week on our peers? So the pair we are going to touch today is GBP USD, XA USD, and USD card. Now, moving on, let's go to GBP USD. This is GBP USD on daily time frame. So starting from daily time frame. But we're not going to start from daily time frame. Let's go to weekly time frame because we are in new week. You're looking for a new week. So going to last week, what do we have on the weekly time frame here? So, so on weekly time frame here, we have a bullish run on a bullish run on a weekly time frame here from here. This is a bullish move that we have on the weekly time frame. So, and we have a market breaking this line here, this level here, which is 29,000, 1.29,000. Market already broke it and market come back into it for last week candle, which is last week candle was kind of giving us a dodgy, a gravestone dodgy, which is kind of giving us an indecision pattern. As for weekly time frame, we are having an indecision on a weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily time frame. Yeah. So on daily time frame, yeah, what we have. So looking at this is the move we have on the weekly time frame, the bullish move I'm talking about on weekly time frame. And market is inside this level here, which is giving us a kind of a range in this level here. As we all know, the market is on a bullish trend. So we should be looking for any opportunity to buy from it. All right, now let's go to 4 hour. So we know we are looking for a bullish opportunity. Okay, on 1 hour, on 4 hour here, market is looking so rough. I don't know. Okay, we have this zone here, the demand zone here. Yeah, a demand zone that move this price to the upside around here. Left a BG imbalance around here, and market is moving from there on the 4 hour. So now, looking at this, we have to tackle the market in front of us before we started looking at the one that is very distant to us around here. What I mean is we have to tackle what we have around here before looking out for something we have down here. You understand? Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, so 1 hour time frame, we're finding this zone. Let's say that I move this zone to this level because this is the origin gongo. Now we have this imbalance around here. We have this imbalance here. We have this imbalance around there. So now, what should we be expecting market to do? We're expecting market to come down here and we move from there. And we move from there. But looking at this level, I'm looking at another origin here, which market is already reacting from, which is this one here. Market is already reacting from this demand zone here. It also present a LBG and market is already moving from there. So if we go to, let me see, do we have it on 12? Okay, yeah. On 12, we have it clearly here. See it here. We have it clearly here on 2 hours. So here is it on 2 hours. Our market is moving, is already reacting on it already. So which means we have two zones to look out for. We have two zones to pay attention to. Okay, now let's go to 1 hour to see what we are looking for. So market has already tapped into it, and it also fall into 29,000 psychological level, which means this zone is quite strong. This zone is quite strong. So we have to be very careful around here to look for our entry. And if market breaks out from here, then we'll be looking at to take our trade around here. So let's go to 15 minutes, which is entry time frame. So I'm looking to take trades here. I'm looking to take trades here. So I'm expecting kind of retracement to the downside into this zone again. Market already tapped into it, yes, I know, but I still want it to come a little down into it again before moving. So it will create a kind of double bottom for me right here. So once I have that kind of double bottom here, then I'll be able to take my trade. But for now, I didn't have this entry yet. I'm not having entry yet here. I'm not having entry yet because of this market has already moved. So I'm expecting market to come down here because of this. If you look around here, there is a kind of consolidation around here. So this market is getting to and already moving downward. The market will be able to move downward and give me a double bottom around here, then I'll be glad to enter a trade there. This is what I'm trying to say. Something like here, the market come back here. The market come back here and give me this. Give me something like this. So I'll be able to look for my entry around here. So that's what I'm looking for on a GV USD. So now moving on, let's go to another pair, which is XAUSD. Now back to 1 week, see what we are looking for. Maybe clear time frame. Let me clear all this. Okay. So on weekly time frame now, as you can see, it's on a bullish move. Market is moving very aggressive to the upside. Now going to the daily time frame. Okay, same scenario uh as GBUS, we have the same scenario around here. Anyways, let's go to 4 hour. So getting to 4 hour here now, we are going to pay attention to something here because we have a breakup structure here. We have a breakup structure here, which is very obvious. That is very obvious breakup structure here. We have this here. Then we have this another tiny breakup structure here. This little one here. We have it here. So that's it. I think that's the last breakup structure we have. Okay, we have tiny one around here as well. I have this small tiny breakup structure here. So let's go to 2 hours to see what we are looking for. Oh, well, okay. We have this tiny breakup structure. Okay. Now, markets come down to this original called this breakup structure because if you look out where you see this kind of a range around here, I will get to smaller time frame. It will be more obvious. Now we have a breakup structure here. Market break this one, which give us this as a change of character. And give us this as a change of character. So we should be very careful around here because there is a supply zone here that market is pushing towards, which means market might come there and started selling back again. But let's see what we have. So this is okay. Because if we are going to read this structure now, we are going to see that we have a double top here, number one, then we have a high, then we have a low, higher low, we have a lower low, another higher low, another lower low. So we should be expecting another high here. So which means now be, so that's what we are going to be looking at for. We're expecting on G on XAU USD. So let's mark out this origin here, this order block here. So let's mark this order block out. So okay, let's moving on to 15 minutes. So getting to 15 minutes, we are going to be paying attention to something around here. You know, I'm going to pay attention to something around here, which is market is going to tap into here and give us a decision to make, either to continue selling or to break. Whatever price did around here will give me more confirmation to know what to do next. Or else, if you see a move to the downside, then I can find my move and my entry around here, then ride it up to this level before looking for what market you did around here. So that's what I will be looking at for on XAU USD. So no setup yet, but that's what we are having here. Now let's move on to USD card. Okay. Let me clear this so I can see. All right, on USD card is on a bullish trend. This is a bullish trend on a weekly time frame. So we have this week market pushing up like hammer handles on the weekly time frame. So we're looking for anything to back up our move. And looking here, we have the bottom here and a chart pattern looking like inverse head and shoulder here, which means USD is telling us a buy. Okay, let's go to 4 hour. I'm getting to 4 hour here. We're going to be looking for anything to back up our bias. So we're looking to buy from any support level. Okay, now we have this, and what else do we have around here in 4 hour? I think I can't see anything here yet. Let's go to 2 hours maybe. Nothing yet. Okay, on 1 hour. Okay, we have this double bottom here. The market come back into here. And I think USDK is already moving already. USDK is already on the move. So should be, you are just going to look for a way to join the move, because looking at all this, market is already moving to the upside already. So you just have to look for a way to join the move. I think, yeah, our market has already tapped in. So just have to wait for where to move, to join the move. Let me see. Okay, this is a trend line here. If the USD break, USD card break above this trend line and give us a retest, then we can continue to join the move here to the upside, because any other place that I'm looking at to join has already been fulfilled. Nowhere to join this move anyway, unless I see this, like, or if it's come back down here. It might come back down here and give me another reason to enter within this range, like here, within this range here. I should see a confirmation to enter within this range. If market decide to come down here within this range, I should see a confirmation to enter from here and continue moving from here. Or it might just break out of this trend line and give us a retest, then we join the move. That's it. And today's analysis and what you should be looking out for next week. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please do well to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. Turn on the notification bell so that we'll be notified whenever I drop another video. Thank you very much. Peace.